There are many lucid dreaming techniques that have been developed by proficient dreamers, or by the dreaming community. The following scope of techniques comprises the most effective methods to induce lucidity and help you attain more dream control. With these methods, you will get a chance to learn how to interact directly with your own subconscious mind. Some techniques are especially powerful way to overcome long-term phobias, confront limiting beliefs, and enhance your problem-solving skills and your creativity. If you are a beginner, you can start off with exploring a few easy techniques. We'll talk about that later. Try and test a few of them, and stick with 2 or 3 that suit you best. Your goal is not to become an expert on lucidity within the first few weeks or months. Instead, you want to train your subconscious mind to follow new rules. It may take a little time, but stay focused, be patient, and the rewarding feeling of having first successful vivid lucid dreams arrives soon. To become a proficient lucid dreamer, first you need to build up a good dream recall. It is one technique that is absolutely essential. The simplest and most effective method on earth is to keep a dream journal during the entire process of learning. The next step is looking at your recorded dreams to find dream signs that appear most often in your dreams. These dream signs will become reliable signposts of a dream state, and will considerably help you succeed with induction of your lucidity. Practice, commitment, and level of motivation are crucial components as well. Selection of the right method depends on your personality, level of proficiency, and lifestyle. Want to learn how lucid dream easy? Here are some of the top lucid dreaming techniques for beginners. Reality checks a very easy exercise, looking at your hands, pushing fingers of one hand into the palm of another, asking if you are dreaming, etc. Incubation, a simple mind training exercise. You can think of having a lucid dream tonight, repeat affirmation, the next scene will be a dream, or to daydream about what you might lucid dream. All-day awareness. This easy method was discovered by the dreaming community. Basically, you are paying attention to everything around and inside of you, your palms, blood flowing in your body, etc. Mnemonic Induction of LD. This technique teaches you to increase your self-awareness, making it easier to recognize when you are dreaming. It consists of performing reality checks during the dream, combining it with affirmations and visualizations. It is easy to master, therefore a very effective method for beginners. Contrary, it requires more time to learn, because you need to do these checks during the day as well. Cycle adjustment technique. Another really simple and easy way. The idea is adjusting your sleep cycles to raise your conscious awareness during the early morning, during REM sleep phases, and thus increasing the chance of having a lucid dream. Wake back to bed. It is a variation of CAT with one key difference: the results are immediate. It comprises the ability to recall dreams, discover dream signs by analyzing your dream records, and recognize those dream signs in dreams. A great method for beginners. Guided meditation. It is a form of meditation, where you are assisted through the course of your meditation. It is in itself an excellent way of building self-awareness while awake. It forces you to maintain concentration on what you are listening to and guides your thoughts. It is an easy method of familiarizing yourself with your mind and prepares the brain for lucidity. Self-hypnosis, a more focused form of meditation. During self-hypnosis, your intuitive brain is guided through autosuggestions towards your ultimate goal, lucid dreaming, while your logical brain is silenced. If you are a newbie, select 2 to 3 methods from the category of top lucid dreaming techniques listed above. I hope these video helped you out. Please leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel if you're new.